Hello, fellow Ghanaians.
And fellow Ghanaians.
A very positive video be talking about a Millennium Chef Smith. I wait me a break a Guinness Book of Records for the longest cooking marathon in the entire world.
Finally confirmed officially globally. It's documented. There are no legalities or whatsoever. This is documented and it's a proof. Congratulations, Millennium Chef Smith. Once again, God bless you.
And the news is fake.
And fellow Ghanaians.
Yes. The better na haye de nyina kasa fa ho congratulating him and a lot of media platforms, prominent people. Etin Bona Baso say why are with me I break it the longest cooking marathon with 802 hours 25 minutes. Who certificates no bibia clear. Posting Guinness Book of Records, posting him on their media platforms. Just say argue or hold a press conference. I would teach them say one no
in your eyes, on your cameras, on your screens. A hand again, please. Congratulations. Millennium Chef Smith. Ghana's numero uno.
As it stands now, people are using a heart to play in this country. I'm telling you the fact. Chef Smith, to the extent say when you look at the whole situation, you will think it's true. Wetima Hodi a press conference to announce himself as the Guinness Book of Records for the longest cooking marathon by an individual, showing certificate, showing Guinness Book of Records for website and Wetima posting a congratulations message. And with this TV3, it's me contact a Guinness Book of Records. I'm deny UTV. I'm also deny. You can say GH1 TV, GH1, and so it's me contact Guinness Book of Records. I'm so many more here. So how come press conference certificate? Getting people to edit the social media platform. No more. My crop here, to the extent when you look at the tenor, it makes you feel like it's true. And what the questions that most people are asking is what is he seeking for? Attention, fame, or whatever? Because he was arrested by Nana Boru for over a contract breach another day. That one I'm say in Cook-A-Thon, there was some contract between him and Nana Boru and some certain people within the press conference national but I say, Dr. UN JDB, man, sir, a feeding bottle, ma, some MPs and some ministers for fixed certificate. Chef Smith. Yeah, we were here. We saw this kid, almost, I think it was 3 years or 2 years or half a year. I was breaking Guinness Book of Records, one holding press conference. On one Guinness Book of Records for it, me posting, on the IS only photo shoots. Guy Yoko Hagi Dre, Emma, also a man Guinness Book of Records for it's me recognizing, also the Guinness of one a posting. But Chef Smith, dear, on one auto party press conference, and our announcing with the certificate. When you look at the certificate, they almost see a picture. Why do you so? On what he has certificate in the style be? And a mucha unti me compared to Chef Hilda Bassi Day, Alan Fisher Day. You can't compare it to it because we know not what was interesting class. We'll translate it there and you get the full picture. You feel me? Showing of in the press conference now or they in certificate in the channel. Same thing. Wachiano. So that was some certain key pointer I noticed. And it's like what is idea no ankasa for fame because Guinness Book of Records na say one Charlie, we were here, a guy walked from Techima to Accra. That is insane. Say and destiny when you win the Guinness Book of Records, just that you'll be recognized. Say okay, you are the record holder to this and this, what I say, and who applies, so I think you pay money. So I don't know why people are killing themselves because of this thing and even faking the whole thing. What would be an info? And yes, cooking marathon, no, so 1 month, 5 days in it. I think that's also a bit more that I know as I was so. Because faking the whole this thing, certificate, press conference, the website, publishing the whole news. I'm at the whole just say. This is your favorite boy, Secret Superstar. Don't forget to leave your comment. What do you think about Millennium Chef Smith fake cooking marathon certification? Don't forget to leave your comment. Join this amazing family. Thanks for watching. See you in our next episode of videos.